Hey everyone, welcome to welcome to another artsy weekend vlog. We're at the shop and we have quite a few things. I feel like it's quite a few things to do today. What we're going to be doing, I don't know when this video is going to go out. Definitely not this week, but we're going to be building a computer desk, which I mean, I know you guys maybe don't know because I've never told you. I'm not like a woodworker. Neither is Sean, so I'm kind of nervous about it because I don't know if it's gonna just look like a piece of wood with legs on it. We tried to like spice it up with a couple of other things, but anyway, we're gonna try to build a desk. We're gonna get started on it today. We do have to cut a few pieces of wood, and we bought like just a saw, I guess.
Circular saw?
Not a saw like this. Like, yeah, I guess maybe they'll know what that. I don't know. Circular saw. Yeah, do it again. Yeah, that's the motion.
Yeah.
So we got one of those, and we're gonna try to cut a couple of pieces of wood today.
Yep.
And I'm tufting. We've got a new project going, and I'm literally looking at it in the viewfinder right now. I'm obsessed.
Yeah.
It's gonna be so freaking cute. So again, I don't know if there's even gonna be an art video this week because I don't know if I should do, like, last week I did tufting for the art video, so I don't know if I want to do, like, tufting video, another tufting video. I feel like, I don't know. Do you think that's a big deal? Because when I did last week's video, which was the first art video this year, I made a point of saying, like, I'm not going to be doing the same thing that I've always done. So if I do two tufting, I don't know. Maybe I'm thinking way too much. So maybe you might see him this week, you might not. But it is so little ghost rug. So we also finished this, which I'm in love with. So you guys taught me something last week. This is called a trivet. Did I say it right?
Don't know.
Okay.
What are you talking about?
This. Remember I showed you.
Yes.
I didn't know what this was called last week when I was talking about it, but I want it to be something where you put like a hot pot or pan on it to let it cool off so it doesn't like burn the counter or whatever. Apparently that's called a trivet, so I think I'm saying that right. Anyway, we finished it, and so I'm going to be finishing the TikTok/reel for it. So we put the backing on it, like glued everything down. It's done and adorable. Isn't it?
It is.
Oh, the room has changed a little bit. So this wall thing was always like right at this like seam sort of, and it would go this way. And so I always had my desk, and then on the other side, this is where I normally filmed. We still film over there, but I found out that this wall has like hinges on it. It's amazing. So I was able to like push it against the wall, and now it's much more open, and the window does more things for us. It's wonderful. Those are mostly the bigger updates. I think I'm gonna continue along this ghost rug journey. Then later we'll probably get started on the desk. It's gonna be fine. Honestly, what I literally just thought, because it's on the over there, is the color changing paint, the mood ring paint. What if I just painted this freaking desk completely with the mood ring paint, and then it like changes color?
That's a really cool idea.
That's so much. They don't do like huge containers of that stuff, I don't think.
Oh yeah.
I think I'd have to contact them and be like, can I buy in bulk?
Yeah.
I'm painting a desk. Anyway, we're gonna get started on tufting. There we go. Pretty good. Yeah, I don't know how far this white yarn is gonna make it. It's like kind of psyching me out. Cause it's like, it's not even gonna make it to the middle, but it might.
It's still there.
It's like, it looks like a lot, and then it's not, but then it is. Hoping that it makes it all the way.
Take it to the limit.
Looks so good so far. He's so cute. There's a close-up of my lines, guys. Wow. Alright, a little bit of an update, because I feel like we haven't talked to you guys since earlier. 1, it's dark out now. 2, look at this progress on the adorable ghost. Oh, oh my god, I cannot. Also, this is a piece of the desk that we're making. So we've actually, this is the top, so we didn't really like cut it or anything, but we did sand it, and then we stained it that color, which I love. And then we've got some other pieces of wood, stained, sanded, and drying now. It's a freaking mess in here. Because we literally, like, what did we do today? Because I tufted it a little bit. We did the desk. No, we were doing the jack-o'-lantern reel / TikTok.
Yep.
Freaking so much done today.
Yep.
So great.
Cut the desk, sanded the desk, stained the desk.
Yeah. Yep. So yeah, Sean used that terrifying saw thing, and it wasn't so bad.
It really wasn't. It sounded a little scary. I think I was too worried about being safe, and that made the cuts not very even. Because I would like look away and make sure everything's looking good.
Oh,
and then
you
be
would?
Like,
oh.
I wouldn't. It wasn't that.
Oh gosh, okay. You made that look terrifying. Yeah. I'm like you lost control of a saw. Alright, so we are heading out. Oh my god. Look, so soft and fluffy. It's gonna be so cute when it's done. Obviously, when this video is out, if it's already out, no, it's not. Oh my god, no. Definitely not out yet, but when it comes out, go watch it, because, oh my god. Alright, you guys, so that was basically our weekend. I only filmed that one day. That was either Friday or Saturday. I literally can't even remember which day that was. But I only filmed some stuff on that one day because the desk took over the weekend. And just tufting and all the projects that we're doing. I've kind of been a little bit looser with myself because last year, when I look at it as a whole, not only was I doing something that I wasn't super like happy with, like super into anymore, but I also was really, really strict with myself with the schedule that I was on, where it brought me to a point where I was constantly on, the scale of stress. I was always way up here, like constantly. There was no like come down. There was like only stress because of the schedule that I was on. And I don't know why, but I like made myself feel like I had to upload every Wednesday. And if I didn't, I was like, I can't even like fully describe how I felt, but it was like I was an utter failure if I didn't. So, one of my things for this year, besides switching it up, was I wanted to also have some like inner peace and, put more work and more of myself and more like care and like love into my work and also like into myself, because I was severely lacking that last year. So, anyway, what was I even talking about? Oh, just just that we're, kind of working on stuff when we want to work on it, and not saying that like, oh, well, I don't feel like doing anything today, so I'm not going to do anything. If you guys watch my videos, especially if you're like subscribed to this vlog channel, you'll know that is not me. I'm constantly working on something. So anyway, yeah, there was a lot of tufting, a lot of figuring out the desk. That was just so much. We were at Lowe's for a while. Thank goodness it was like dead in there when we were in there. It's hard. It's hard. And you know what? It's so funny. It's that like obvious joke. Artists or crafters like buying all the supplies to do a thing, and it ends up costing either just as much or more often than not, it ends up costing more than if they just bought a desk online or something, and had it delivered. But what's fun about that? Literally, what's fun about that? So I'm really excited. And this whole desk thing started because I want to stream. And so I need a computer desk, and we cleared a spot. I'm literally like facing the spot. I'm not going to show you because it's kind of a mess right now. Um, but we did clear a spot where a desk will go, and it's very exciting. So yeah, I just like, how cool is that going to be? It's not going to be like super crazy because this is like the first thing that I'm building by myself. Well, this is the first thing that we're building by ourselves. But I did buy some like lights that we're going to put on it, and so anyway, I'm excited about it, and I think it's going to look really cool. We bought like legs. So there were certain parts of it that we're going to be changing up, but we got some like cool metal legs that kind of match like another metal part. Anyway, when this desk video goes out, you guys should definitely watch it because I'm pretty excited. It's something different, and that's exactly what I wanted for this year. And then the tufting, I mean, you guys saw it, and I did some more progress on it yesterday that I was going to try to vlog, and then I just got in the zone. It's so easy to get in the zone with tufting, but anyway, I made a lot of progress yesterday. That ghost rug is going to be the light of my life. I'm so like, I'm gonna cry when it's done. It's just so beautiful. When I get into, because the wood framing, I'm just going off right now. The wood framing for tufting, you know what I'm talking about, where you stretch the fabric onto it. You can you can build your own, which I'm gonna do. We're gonna do together in a video. I think it's gonna be amazing. So yeah, you can build your own, and you can make them like humongous. I mean, if you guys, I saw so many of you. You know what's freaking amazing is when I did that first tufting video, yeah, was that last week? I think it was. I don't even know anymore. But yeah, that first tufting video, so many of you said that you went and like looked up, master tufters, and you came back with tips for me, which I cry, and I'm so grateful for you guys. You're such an incredible community of people. No, I'm not tearing up. That's stupid. Why would I? So anyway, how cool is it that like I did a thing, and then you guys went and looked up like what tufting is, and like master tufters and other tufting artists, and it's just so cool. And then some of you, even I think some of you were even tufters yourselves, and gave me tips, which is like just out of this world, and it makes me like so grateful. But yeah, so a lot of you were saying that like other tufters have huge framing, and we gonna do that. Like when we do our first massive piece, here's the thing with tufting. You guys have been hyping me up with the tufting. And so you guys have been sending me like other work, like other kinds of stuff. Somebody sent me a chair that somebody, not that they tufted the entire chair, but they tufted like the fabric, like the backing, and then the seat of the chair. I want to like design stuff with the tufting. So I want to do tufted well, actually, what would be cool is like tufted couch. I'm always like thinking way too big. Tufted jackets, tufted like clothing, Jacob and I, my brother, were talking about tufted pants. I think we were calling it rug pants, and then he called it rants. So anyway, I have a lot of plans and a lot of ideas and just a lot of excitement, honestly, for the tufting thing. I'm obsessed. So I swear there will be other videos, but tufting is going to be really big. You know what I also want to get into, and I've been trying to like research it and find a kit online, was Jasminite. Somebody mentioned it to me a few videos back, and I've been trying to find a kit, and it is honestly kind of impossible. Yeah, it's like sold out. Like every website that will ship to me, I believe like every kit is sold out. So I am trying to do that, which I think will be really cool, and another way for me to use the silicone molds that I do have still. I want to try like electroforming, and I want to do like a sort of series where we like go to a place and have somebody that is, like a teacher or whatever in that art, like show, sort of like going to a glass blowing place. I feel like that would be so cool. I also want to do, is it like, it's not soldering, like soldering glass to make like, you know, stained glass kind of pieces. Ah, I have so many plans. Anyway, so I literally went off for like 10 minutes just now. I'm gonna let you go. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure you give this video a like, subscribe to my channel and my art channel, and follow me literally everywhere. It is at Artsy Mad Woman. I love you guys to absolute death, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.